Just sort of, this is all we need for powder. This is the Geisha Ink Loose Mineral Foundation. And I need that much. Probably won't even, because of the coverage. Now, so when you have a lot of powder on your brush, what do? You're like, okay, well, I'll just deposit and start blending. But when you do that, you end up depositing a lot of powder in one area of your face. So what I like to do is I just lightly deposit the product in areas of the face. And that's what I do with my own makeup as well. As you can see before your eyes, the areas where there's redness around the nose, it's already disappearing. This brush is amazing because I have basically failed maybe close to 50 brush samples before signing off on this brush. As a makeup artist, I find that the texture of the brush is really important. If I ask my model, how does the brush feel on her face? And if she says to me, it's prickly, then I have failed her. The comfort of the brush makes people want to use it. So if I have a brush myself and it just constantly pricks my face, I wouldn't want to use it. But this brush, it just feels luxurious. Again, it's vegan fiber, there's no animal hair here. And the blendability, if you look at how seamless the powder is. You can use the same brush and apply your blushes as well as your bronzer along the cheekbone. If you do that, you kind of would do this technique and then you'll just lightly buff. So that is the Loose Mineral Foundation and the Kabuki Brush.